Hey everyone, if you're struggling with weight loss, feeling stuck, and wondering why nothing seems to work, then you need to hear this, because the secret to burning fat may not be what you think. It's not just about cutting carbs or doing endless cardio. It's your mitochondria function that plays a crucial role in burning fat. And when it's not working properly, your body holds on to weight no matter what you try. But here's the good news. Science has cracked the code. A breakthrough supplement called Middolin is designed to activate your mitochondria and supercharge your fat-burning power. And best of all, it's 100% natural. So how does Middolin work? Well, it's packed with 6 powerful ingredients, each carefully selected to boost your metabolism and keep your body functioning at its best. Maqui berry, super antioxidant that supports heart health. Rhodiola rosea, reduces stress and improves energy astaxanthin. Helps fight inflammation and fatigue. Amla, boosts digestion and detoxifies the body's schisandra. Supports liver function for better fat metabolism. Theobroma cacao, natural mood enhancer and metabolism booster. These ingredients don't just help with weight loss, they improve your overall health. Think glowing skin, balanced energy levels, and even a boost in mental clarity. Now, I know you might be thinking, is this just another weight loss gimmick? No. Mitolyn is backed by science, FDA approved, non-GMO, and has 0 chemicals or synthetic fillers. And unlike crash diets or risky pills, Mitolyn works with your body to naturally restore balance. Thousands of people have already seen amazing results with Middolin. And the best part? There's a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely 0 risk in trying it. So if you're ready to finally take control and start your transformation, click the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to Middolin official website, where you'll find exclusive discounts and real customer feedback. Your weight loss journey starts today. Click the link below, try Mitolyn, and take the first step toward a healthier, happier you. At One Review, we review the best deal for you. Love discovering the best deals and product tips? Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on honest reviews, top recommendations, and exclusive affiliate offers to save you time and money.